Hey y'all, in this video, we're going to talk about evaluating expressions. So you might have heard about this previously as plug and chug. Okay, so all we're going to do is plug in the given value into the expression and simplify. Okay, so let's look at the first one. It says evaluate 9x minus 2 when x equals 5. This means everywhere I see an X, I'm going to write a 5 there instead. Okay, so instead of writing this X, I'm going to write a 5. So that's going to be 9 times 5 minus 2. Now I just have to simplify. So 9 times 5, well, that's 45, still minus 2. And then subtracting 45 minus 2, well, that's 43. So we get 43 is our answer. Okay, let's try the next one. Okay, same game. I'm supposed to evaluate this expression when x is -2. Oops, sorry. So this means everywhere you see an x, replace it with a -2. So notice in this expression, there are 2 x's. So I'm going to write -2 twice. Okay, watch your parentheses. So since this is squared, I need to put it in parentheses. So that's -2 quantity squared minus 7 times -2. Okay, simplify. -2 squared, well, remember that's like -2 times -2. So that's going to be a positive 4. Okay, and then -7 times -2. Well, again, that's going to be a positive 14. Okay, and then adding 4 and 14, we get 18. Okay, let's do one more. So notice on this third one, my expression has an x and a y in it. So they want me to evaluate this expression when x is 7 and y is 8. Okay, but the game is exactly the same. So everywhere I see an x, I'm going to put a 7. And everywhere I see a y, I'm going to put an 8. Okay, so I have 5 times an x. So I'm going to put a 7 there. And then I've got -2y. But instead of writing this y, I'm going to write 8. And then still -9. Now just simplify. So 5 times 7, well, that's 35. -2 times 8, well, that's -16, still -9. And then adding, let's see, 35 minus 16 minus 9 more gives us 10. Final answer.